kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys. So in this video series I am going to teach you how you can create an app that lets users to add frame to their pictures using the Kotlin language in Android Studio. Alright, so first of all I will be showing you the demo, and then we will start creating the project from scratch. So you guys have to follow me by step by step, and I will explain you everything and we will create that app. So before wasting any time, let me show you the demo of that app. Alright, so here we go. So here you guys can see that I have this app and it has two buttons, my creations and select photo. But in this video series we will only be using the other second button, that is the select photo. So basically the user will be able to select the image, and then the image will be displayed, and then the user will be able to select any frame, so the frame will be put into that image, right? So let me open uh, the any photo. So here you guys, okay, so you guys can see I have picked this image, and now another activity, that is the edit activity, has been opened, and now here I will be applying the frame. So here if I put this, so you guys can see I can put these frames, right? So guys, we will be creating this type of app. So guys, let's get started. So first of all, let's create the new project, and then select no activity, because we will be creating the activity after we create the project. And inside this name we can say like frame project tutorial. Alright, and here we will select the Kotlin, and we have to select Kotlin DSL recommended, right? And we click on the finish, and now the project will be created. Alright, the project is being created, and after it is created we will start developing our application. Alright guys, so now the project has been created. So first of all we will add the Picasso library, and as well as the SDP library. So let me write implementation. Alright, so now we will sync the project. After that we have to create a new activity, and that from there we can go to new, and here you guys we have to select empty views activity, and this one will be the main activity, and make sure that you select this launcher activity, right? So after that, now the activity will be created, so we just need to remove these two lines of code, right? And after that, so first of all we have to go to our main activity main.xml file here, and we have to change it. So here we will have an image, and below that image we will have the button of pick image, right? So we just need to write relative layout, and then we will have an image view. We will have the width as strap content and height as 300 dp, and then we will have to set the id as image view, and then we can say it to be center vertical. Okay, so we have to first of all wait as we are the Android Studio is compiling the code. Okay, so here we can write center vertical, and we have to say it to true, and then we can say to be source, and the source will be alright. Then let me select, go to the colors, and here we will have the color gray is 90. Then we will let me specify the color. Alright, and after that we have to set the source of it to be margin bottom, and it will be 20 dp, or I think 50 dp is good. And then we can say it like okay. So after that we will have a button, and for that we can say button it to be match parent wrap content. We will set the id of the button pick, and then we can say it like text, and we will write align parent bottom, and we will make it to true. Then we can set the margin, text color it will be white, and text size will be bold. Right, so now we have the button and we have the image here, and now we will go to our main activity. And in here first of all we have to write specify the button. So we will bind the view. So for that we can say bind view by id, right, and here we will create a method that will be the pick image, right. So after this we can create the function, and here we will use the intent to open the gallery so that the user opens the image. So here we can say value intent equal to intent let me just import the classes. Start activity for result, and in here we have to pass on the intent, and let me pass the request code, right, and we will override the method on activity result, and inside that we have to fetch the URI, and then we have to send that URI to the another activity that will be the edit activity. So here let me just use the Gemini AI. So it has generated me this code, and here now we can just open the image activity. Okay, so that one will be the image activity, and we are sending the image URI, right. So now we can create another class or activity. So here we have to go to activity and click empty view activity. We have to write image activity, right? So similarly we have created. Okay, so guys, up till now we have uh, in this video, the part 1 we have done. We had created the project, then we created the main screen or the main activity, and inside that we created a button, and on button click we are now inside our image activity. So and we have sent the URI of that image to this image activity. So now we will continue from where we had left. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.